Hey, I'm Matt. I'm a freelance journalist. We're here at the Inland Empire Mini Maker Faire in Riverside, California. And we are at the 23B booth where we're learning a little bit how to pick locks here. So we got Chris and Trent, who helped set up another hackerspace in Pomona. So if you want to just give a little bit of intro to what you do.
Well, I help run 23bshops. We are a heavy industrial hackerspace focusing on the mechanical arts, welding, machining, fabrication, circuit boards, you name it, we've probably done it. So yeah, that's what I do in all my spare time.
Cool. And Trent, you want to give a little intro?
Similar to Chris, I probably spend much of my free time over at Mag Lab, running the place, doing facilities, keeping things maintained. As far as hackerspaces go, we're definitely more on the fabrication side and keeping simple.
Yeah, so what do you guys think about the maker movement?
Maker versus hackers?
I wouldn't say that. I would just say the creative movement of building things, you know?
Well, you're starting to hear more and more about these things in your day-to-day life. Sort of the same way 3D printers are starting to proliferate. It's starting to appear on people's radar. So, you know, in normal day-to-day conversation, every time you pick up the newspapers, you can probably find an article about 3D printing. You know, the maker bots were basically invented at hackerspace, you know, by curious people that were just looking to have some fun on the weekend, and it turned out to be a viable product that is revolutionary and disruptive.
And it's not just 3D printers either, right? So, like, what kind of tools do you think people need to be able to use in order to kind of, like, start something?
It seems to be more about accessibility to any of these tools. The 3D printers was just one example, but like here at Academy, it allows normal people unusual access to amazing machines and tools, and most importantly, the knowledge and skill of people there to show you how to figure this stuff out.
Yeah, you would agree on the accessibility part too, right?
Accessibility is 100% biggest thing, whether it's access to the space or access to things like that.
Or other people who know skills.
Having access to those tools that expand on what Chris said is big and important for people to understand how to works on a level beyond objects.
Cool, and I've been going to a few places as you with these kind of like maker fairs. You said DEF CON and stuff like that. Would you say that there needs to be like a diversity in like hacker spaces and maker spaces, or should they all be the same?
Well, of course, the ecosystem is going to be varied enough that there's diversity, you know, inherent in the system. The encouraging thing is you're starting to see more and more of this pop up on the radar, especially in the last 2 years or so.
Well, thank you so much for talking with us, and we look forward to hearing more about 23B and Mag Lab as you guys keep working on some awesome stuff.